All right, so welcome once again to our regular weekly BOP presentation. So for tonight, we're going to have three parts of our presentation. First will be the discussion about our iTera Care, and then of course, a brief and short presentation about our compensation plan. And the third part will be the question and answer with our beloved Dr. Alex Ibay. So let's start it by showing to you this slide. This is very, very powerful and inspiring slide because our presentation will be about the key to ultimate wellness. As you can see, this lady, we cannot say this. She is already still young, but it's very obvious. It's already old, right? But what you can see is she is fit, healthy, and happy. Yan. So yan yung target natin. Although ngayon, I'm not sure what is your age level, but of course, pagka dumating tayo sa punto na we are all retired from business or sa employment at gusto natin mag-settle down, syempre ang gusto natin, di po ba, ay yung healthy and happy tayo. Yan yung pinaka-goal talaga natin. At sisiguraduhin natin na ngayon pa lang, maging conscious na tayo or aware tayo sa being healthy. Hindi yung kung kailan meron na tayong nararamdaman, tsaka pa lang tayo mag-exercise. Kumbaga, it's a continuing progress. Simulan na po natin. And I believe kaya po kayo umattend ngayon ng ating presentation, it's because meron na kayong nararamdaman. Or talaga namang mga health conscious kayo, kaya you want to know more knowledge and information about wellness. Well, that's good. But of course, again, to reiterate our goal, pagka tayo ay nagkaedad na ayaw naman natin magmukhang kawawa tayo pagdating ng panahon. Kaya ngayon pa lang, simulan na natin na talagang to really drive ourselves to be healthy. And of course, being happy. Okay, so yan yung goal natin. But the reality is, what we are feeling right now every day is about this. There's always a challenge. And pagdating sa health natin, meron ding mga challenges. And this is about overcoming our health obstacles. Alam naman natin na maraming iba't ibang klase ng mga sakit. Kahit nga po yung mga bata pa, no? The usual kasi, pag sinabi mong may sakit, mga matatanda na, mga senior na. Pero ngayon, kahit mga nasa mid-30s pa lang, they are already experiencing different health obstacles. Okay? So wag na nating masyadong gawing seryoso yung yung mga sakit ng mga cancer, mga diabetes or mga hypertension. Kahit sabihin lang natin yung mga yung mga common na nafi-feel natin every day. Because according to the statistics, there are 70% of the population that is suffering from different health issues. And these are occasional tiredness, hindi mo maintindihan bakit mabilis kang mapagod, sakit ng ulo, right? Minsan, yung focus mo nawawala, mabilis ka nang makalimot, di ba? Nahanap mo yung eyeglass mo, yung pala nakasuot lang sa'yo. O kaya yung the usual joint discomfort, masakit ang likod, masakit ang kamay, sakit ang ulo, mabigat ang katawan, masakit ang tiyan, medyo hindi natunawan, di po ba? O kaya nanlalamig, para naman sa mga kababaihan, may mga menstrual irregularities na nagdudulot ng pain. Alam nyo, yun po yung usual na nararamdaman natin. Ay, hindi naman siya ganun kaseryoso, but this health issues is bothering us. Right? It is affecting our productivity. It's either sa school, yung mga bata, kaya tayo sa trabaho, sa negosyo, minsan hindi tayo nakakapag-deliver ng gusto nating output because we are being disturbed by these common health issues na nararamdaman natin. So we want to address this. Marami namang available na mga immediate action. Kaya lang those are all temporary. Pero kung isipin nga natin, kailangan ma-address natin ano ba yung root cause nitong mga nararamdaman natin. Right? Para hindi yung tapal-tapal lang yung ating mga ginagawang solusyon. So basically, ang pinanggagalingan nito ay this one. Okay? Which is cold. Ano yung cold? Coldness can lead to symptoms such as cold body, cold hands, and feet. Bakit ba lumalamig yung katawan natin, yung paa natin? It's because ano po bang usual na lifestyle natin, lalo yung mga nag-uopisina, nagtatrabaho, or even yung mga nagnenegosyo, di po ba? Simula pa lang ng umaga pa lang, pagpasok sa opisina, naka-air condition room. The whole day yan. And then, pag uwi ng bahay, kung may sasakyan, naka-aircon. Pag uwi ng bahay, pagka matutulog na, naka-air condition din yung room. So, majority of our time is exposed to air-conditioned rooms. And ano ba ang naibibigay nito? Lamig o init? So, definitely, it's cold. So, ibig sabihin na nabababad yung katawan natin sa lamig. Kaya nga po, pagka kayo ay mahilig magpamassage, di po ba sasabihin ng mga masahista, ako, dami mong bukol. Ano ba yung mga bukol na yun? What does it represent? Yung mga lamig na namumuo, di po ba? Yun yung sinasabi usually ng mga masahista. Kaya dudurugin talaga yan. Because yun yung nagiging cause ng sakit. Kaya ikaw, pabalik-balik ka sa massage parlor. And what else? Yung dampness. Dampness in the body may cause your body to feel heaviness. Kaya pala ang bigat is because yun nga po yung lamig na hindi makalabas na nandun sa loob ng katawan natin at nagko-cause yan ng condensation. Yung proper flow ng blood natin, which is yun dapat para yung oxygen, the flow of nutrients and oxygen in the body sa different parts of the organ. Ganon dapat. Kaya lang, pagka hindi tayo nakakapag-exercise, very sedentary ang lifestyle natin, we are being deprived of the proper blood circulation. Tapos may lamig pa. So yan na yung mga tawag nito, simula ng mga sakit-sakit na nararamdaman natin. So tayo, pagka hindi tayo conscious na i-address yung pinaka-root cause nito, palagi lang tayong nagtitake ng mga temporary relief until such time na ito na, mararamdaman na natin yung mga symptoms na yan, nagkakaroon na ng blockage, eventually nagkakaroon na ng tumor, na nagiging malignant na, tsaka pa lang natin may experience yung symptoms. Parang it's too late already. And that's why we have this kind of presentation for us to give us information and awareness about our health. Because again, our target is to become healthy and happy. That's why tonight we're going to introduce to you a very powerful wellness device today. It's because mostly yung mga gadget na ginagamit natin is mga high-tech na po yan, di po ba? Either ginagamit natin sa business natin or sa trabaho natin. Pero naisip po ba natin na pagdating sa target natin na maging healthy and happy tayo, are we using a modern technology or still we are using the very conventional way of being healthy? Dahil sa panahon po ngayon, it's all technology. So dapat po meron din po tayong i-incorporate na technology doon sa wellness natin aside from the usual na exercise, diet, right? So dapat meron din. So, ito yung i-incorporate natin, itong iTera Care because this is the most modern alternative approach towards wellness. Isasama po natin ito doon sa wellness regime po natin every day. So, yan po yung makikita nyo. It is a device na it comes with the several models like iTera Care Pro, Premium Plus, and the Classic. I will discuss it later in details. Okay? So, itong Pro na ito yung pinaka heavy duty na mostly used in clinics and wellness centers. And ito naman po color red, iTera Care Classic. This is commonly used device because of its affordability. And of course, the brand new version, which is the Premium Plus. This is much easy to use because it is compact, medyo maiksi siya, magaan, and very easy to maneuver. And also, it has a feature of timer and a beeping sound, which is makakatulong po sa inyo yan to really use it to its full functionality. Right? So, inside this device is the patented 3-in-1 4 technology. Again, we are not just talking about a simple product. We are talking about technology because in this time, modern time natin, technology matters already. Okay? So it combines terahertz frequency, quantum energy, and optical quartz. So tatlo po yan na very powerful component na pinagsama-sama into one. First is the terahertz. Terahertz is a kind of frequency discovered to be good in human body compared to other kinds of frequency that is harmful to human body. Mamaya po may papakita ko sa inyo the spectrum of different kinds of frequency because technically, pag sinabi natin frequency, it is a radiation. And when you say it is radiation, it is harmful to human body. But this kind of frequency, what we call terahertz, is very good for human body. According to the American scientist na naka-discover po nito frequency na ito. And the device also generates quantum energy. I know some of you or a lot of you already familiar with the quantum technology, right? So it balances our body system and this energy penetrates deeper into our body organ. So tandaan nyo po yung characteristic ng quantum na yan because it is very significant dito sa combination ng technology na ipapaliwanag natin mamaya. And of course, the core component of the device is the crystal energy tube. It is made from hundreds of different minerals, ingredients that is molded together, pinagsama-sama siya through high temperature technology. And together, these components are designed to support body relaxation, promote microcirculation, which is yung kailangan natin, especially yung mga hindi nakakapag-exercise. And of course, it will bring back the frequency of our body to its original state. Okay? So that is the background about the product. I will give you now the two concepts about this product. Paano nga ba nakakatulong itong iTeracare? Saan nga ba nanggaling yung idea about this product? Okay, let's start with the first concept. This is about frequency. That's why some people call this frequency device, especially in the United States. Okay? So this concept is coming from Albert Einstein. We know that Albert Einstein is one of the greatest scientists that ever lived, right? So according to him, the future medicine will be the medicine of frequency. Well, pagka narinig natin yung word ng medicine, ano po bang pumapasok sa isip natin? Gamot. Ano ba yung mga klase ng gamot? Dalawang klase din yan. Yung mga alternative, yung mga food supplements, mga vitamins, we can consider it as natural medicine. Or, syempre, the usual is yung mga prescription drugs na ibinibigay ng mga physician sa atin. Yun yung alam natin about medicine. Pero sabi ni Einstein, the future medicine will be the medicine of frequency. Right? Kung usapan natin is frequency, medyo nosebleed dyan, no? Medyo technical yung word ng frequency. So isipin nyo na lang yung sound waves. The frequency, yan yun, kung bakit nakaka-receive tayo ng mga messages sa cellphone natin is through frequency. So yung technology na yun, yun yung sinasabi ni Einstein about the future medicine. So I will just give you an example para magkaroon kayo ng konting idea kung ano yung sinasabi ni Einstein, which is right now available na po yung mga modern and high technology frequency therapy devices, which is already available in some high-end na mga hospitals. Ayan yung nakikita nyo sa inyong monitor ngayon. And talking about beautification, yan, sa mga health and wellness, and sa mga facial centers, meron kayong makikita mga ganyang devices that is utilizing frequency. Yun nga lang, medyo mahal. Imagine niyo po, 30 minutes kayo magpapa-facial therapy, it will cost you around 6,700. Eh, hindi naman yan makukuha sa isang beses lang or one session. Multiple sessions yan. So meaning to say, kung high technology yan, high cost din. It's because of its efficacy. At saka syempre, lahat ng bago, lahat ng technology, it comes with a cost. Okay? So yan po yung mga example na sinasabi natin na existing na sa market. Okay? And another thing about frequency, ang NASA po mismo, which is the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, it is the institution involved in sending away astronaut in the outer space for a space exploration. So, syempre, no, pag pinadala natin ng astronaut sa outer space, ang target niyan is mag-stay sila longer. Kaya lang, syempre, there's a problem dahil iba man ang environment dun sa taas. So, the scientists discovered that there is a certain frequencies that can help the cell to heal, regenerate, recover, and repair. So, they are also using frequencies. And it is very significant in personalized medicine for astronaut during the space flight. So, all of those linked to the concept na sinasabi ni Einstein kanina that the future medicine is the medicine of frequency. And it's already happening right now. Okay? So, these are the spectrum of different kinds of frequencies from the left, right radio wave, up to the extreme right, which is up to the X-ray. So makikita nyo yan, tumataas yung number hanggang sa papunta siya ng right, meaning to say mas nagiging delikado siya because it's a high range of frequency already. But again, during the 1980s, American scientists discovered this kind of frequency, which is terahertz, which is very, very good for human body. That's why a lot of scientists have their own definition about terahertz. At kung kayo po ay medyo curious, no, you can research about terahertz. Don't research about iTeraCare. You research about terahertz because it is the technology behind the product of iTeraCare. So ito pong terahertz na ito ay marami pong mga scientific data that already included in the medical journal. So iba't ibang research, health benefits of terahertz frequency. Okay, so that's the first concept. So the second concept is about heat. This is according to Hippocrates. According to him, if there's a way to heat the bones, then all diseases can be treated. Medyo expound natin ng konti itong sinabi ni Hippocrates. Okay? So, I believe yung iba po ay umattend ngayon dahil meron na pong health concern. And you are praying na sana meron dumating na blessing para naman gumaling yung mga nararamdaman natin karamdaman. At especially yung may mga maintenance medicine na I believe isa lang ang common prayer para kung di man 100% na gumaling, at least man lang 50%, di po ba, na medyo makaramdam ng ginhawa at mabawasan man lang yung mga iniinom ng mga maintenance medicine every day. Okay, so ito po yung message of hope na according kay Hippocrates that all diseases can be treated. Naniniwala po ba kayo dyan? You say yes if you believe or amen if you believe, all right? So there is the possibility that all diseases can be treated. Hindi lang some, not few. But according to Hippocrates, all diseases can be pwedeng gumaling. Paano? Ito yung sabi niya, if there's a way to heat the bones. So that's the principle. So kailangan daw pong painitan ang buto. At yan ang magiging paraan para gumaling ang sakit. The very big question is, how can you heat the bones without burning your skin? Okay? So that's very interesting at yan po yung i-discuss natin. And that is validated by a German author nung nilabas niya yung kanyang book entitled 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And according to him, the ideal body temperature for optimum health, which is ito yung kailangan natin at yun yung target natin to have optimum health. Ang sabi niya rito, malaking bagay ang heat na kailangan umabot ng 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So kung i-convert natin ito our local unit of measurement, this is 37 degrees Celsius. And para sa karamihan, 37 ang iyong body temperature. It's not good. Well, yun yung alam natin. Bakit? Kasi syempre, pagka nagkaroon ng virus or bacteria inside our body, of course, it's a natural reaction of our body na painitin. It's nag-activate yung ating immune system. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng high temperature. But again, itong pinag-uusapan natin ngayon is 37 degrees Celsius ang target natin ng body temperature without infection. It's under normal health condition and then i-increase mo yung body temperature mo into 37 degrees centigrade. At yun po ay marami tayong makukuha na benefits. Isa na po dyan yung powerful painkiller. Di po ba yung mga pinag-uusapan natin kanina doon sa introduction natin na isa sa mga problema natin, iba't ibang joint pains na nararamdaman natin due sa mga inflammation. So, ito po yung natural way. So, instead of drinking na yung mga over-the-counter na mga medicine. So, syempre, gugustuhin natin na kung may paraan naman na natural, ito na yung priority natin. Okay? So, ito yung concept of heat. So, but then again, paano? In a very practical way, paano natin gagawin yun? Dito na po papasok yung concept ng ating iTeracare. That's why we are calling this device as the powerful device today. Because this device has a feature of penetration. Okay, dito na po natin sasagutin yung hanging question natin kanina na paano papainitan ang buto. Dahil yun daw po ang sikreto para gumaling ang sakit. So when you turn on the iTeracare device, may lalabas po dyan na frequency. Ano po yung frequency na yan? It's the terahertz. Okay? And it is discovered to be very good to human body. Okay? And aside from that, meron din pong lalabas dyan na heat, therapeutic heat. And yung heat na yon ay hindi lang po yan mararamdaman ng skin. Yan po ay mararamdaman din ng muscle tissue natin. And the heat will penetrate 20 to 30 centimeter up to the bone marrow. It's because of the quantum. Remember, ito yung isa sa karakteristik ng quantum. Kaya nga po, ang produkto natin ay 3-in-1-4 technology. Pinagsama yung tatlo. That's why this is very, very powerful. So the heat will penetrate up to the bone marrow. Dahil yun yung kailangan na ano natin, di ba? Sabi ni Hippocrates kanina, kailangan mainitan ng buto. Another question is, bakit nga ba kailangan painitan ng buto? It's because when you heat the bone, specifically the bone marrow, it activates the stem cells. At yung stem cell na yan, alam naman po natin, several years ago or decades ago, it is very good. Yet, this is very, very expensive. Only the prominent people can have this kind of therapy. Right? It's so expensive. But this is very, very effective. At alam naman natin, no, mga Pilipinos, prominent Filipinos, yan ang ginagamit nila. Kaya ano natin, no, we have the knowledge na, uy, ang tanda-tanda na nila, but still they're looking young. So the secret is stem cell therapy. Okay, it's so well known already na ano in the medical field. But paano naman yung mga common people? Ito na po yung good news. Dahil nga po sa iTeracare, makukuha natin yung benefits ng stem cell therapy. Once na pinapainitan nyo po ang inyong buto, kaya ibo-blower nyo po yung likod nyo na yan, wherein kung saan yung very rich ang bone marrow. Because while you are heating the bones, nag-activate ang stem cells. At itong stem cells na to ang ginagamit ng katawan natin to heal itself, to repair whatever damages inside our body. So it is not the iTeracare na nagpapagaling. Ang nagpapagaling po ay ang sarili nating katawan. Kaya ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay i-blower nyo every day ang inyong spine or inyong likod. Specifically doon sa mga parte ng bone marrow. Diyan sa shoulder blades, sa hip bones, and of course, the spine. So every day po yan, lalo na pagka may edad po kayo, blower nyo po ng i-blower yan araw-araw para tuloy-tuloy ang activation ng stem cells at manonotice nyo may mga kakaiba po kayo na improvement na mararamdaman sa katawan nyo in a natural way and very, very therapeutic. It's because yung heat, it's talaga namang, it's so comforting. Okay, so makikita nyo rito, there's a lot of benefits of heating the body, which is yan yung content ng book na 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? And what else? Iteracare is best for various inflammation. So again, sabi nga po ni Doc Alex, one of the root cause ng ating mga sakit-sakit ay due to inflammation. At isa nga po dyan, yung explain natin kanina, yung exposure natin sa lamig ng mga namumuo. Dito nga po sa Mindanao, tawag natin yan is mga panuhot na hindi makalabas sa katawan. So kailangan yan mainitan at ito na po yung tanging paraan para ang practical way. Although may mga paraan, pero this is the most modern and practical way of doing it. Economical din. Dahil syempre alam naman natin, mahal pagpamassage, mahal yung mga wellness center, di po ba? Gagastos ka rin dyan. Hindi naman pwede isang beses yan. It's gonna be a regular thing, a weekly thing. So you're entailing cost about it. Okay, so maganda po ang iTeracare about this, lalo na sa mga aches and discomfort. Sabi ko nga po, very disturbing ang mga nararamdaman nating mga pain every day. So ito na po yung the best practical, economical way, very easy way to relieve all those discomfort. Of course, kailangan din nating tanggalin yung mga baras sa katawan natin. Especially pagka hindi tayo nakakapag-exercise. So kailangan proper blood circulation para matanggal yung mga bara-bara, at napakalaking tulong po nito because it is emitting heat. At yung heat na yan is nagdadilate ng ating mga veins. So, proper blood circulation ang nangyayari sa atin. At hindi lang yan, it is also good for skin beautification. Sino ba naman ang ayaw gumanda? So, kasama na rin kaming mga gentleman dyan. Diba? Kailangan maging gwapo rin kami. The question is, paano nga ba gagamitin ang iTeracare? I'm going to show you a video. This is the ideal way of using iTeracare. So para ka nagpapamassage na without your clothes on, nakadapa ka. Yan. Ito po ay sa wellness center sa ibang bansa. Kung makikita nyo yung therapist, ka-lab gown talaga siya. And then, una pong ibo-blower dyan yung kamay at paa. And then, ibo-blower na po yung spine. Ayan. Yan po yung masarap. Kung bakit ideal na wala kayong suot na damit para yung init, mararamdaman nyo talaga na nanunuot sa likod nyo. Wow, very, very comforting. Kaya po ito, walang sablay. Pagkatapos yung magpa-blower nito, especially yung mga first-timer, baka hindi pa tapos yung blowing session na yan. Naghihilik na po kayo. Okay? Talagang makakatulog po kayo. Okay, so kung hindi naman po possible yung ideal way na yan dahil busy po kayo, maraming ginagawa, so pwede yung practical way. Ayan, nakaupo lang, may suot kayong damit, you can do that on your own habang nanonood ng TV or bago kayo matulog, you can do it while in the bed. And don't hesitate to use it sa mga babies. Ayan, maganda po yan pangtanggal ng mga gas spasms nila. And of course, again, it's good for beautification. So you also blow it in your face. And one more thing, very important, you need to charge also the water. Charging the water, meaning to say, you need to blow the whatever water that you're using at home. So ilagay nyo lang po yan siya sa glass container, tapos i-blower nyo. Kung makikita nyo, merong mga improvised na mga microphone stand na i-clip nyo lang, ito turn on nyo para at least hindi naman na nakakangawit na hawak-hawak nyo yung blower na blower nyo. Dahil sa isang ganyan na jar, it will take around 5 minutes. Doon sa isang glass of water, kahit mga few seconds. So anong purpose nito? Anong logic nito? It's because nagkakaroon ng chemical reaction yung tubig. Because alam naman natin na ang lalagyan is plastic container. Yung po ba, coming from the water station, i-deliver sa atin, exposed to the heat of the sun, automatic yan, nagkakaroon ng chemical reaction. So the tendency is mag-clusterize ang mga water molecules. So ang gagawin natin ay i-charge natin, i-blow natin yung water para bumalik siya sa dati niyang structure. Walang changes sa molecular structure niya. Ang nangyayari lang na de-clusterized. Okay? It form a linear chain molecular structure. So remember, it's not how much we drink Sabihin natin, ay, lakas ko man, wala akong problema, malakas akong uminom, nakaka2 litro ako maghapon. But again, ang tanong, yung bang iniinom mong tubig ay naa-absorb? That's the big question. Because it's not how much we drink, but it's how much we absorb inside our body. Nakikita niyo yung figure dyan. Ayan. So yung partial hydration, because nga po nagkakaroon ng clustering ng mga water molecules because of the water na iniinom natin, ordinary water coming from the mga dispenser, hindi na-absorb because clusterized nga po yung mga molecules. So the purpose of charging it, blowing the water, para bumalik sa dati niyang molecular structure, yung mga maliliit, very fine. So ngayon, ma-absorb na siya into our cells, which is yun yung importante para ma-absorb yung oxygen content ng water. Okay, so yan po, very powerful yung charging of water. There's a lot of benefits. So para po sa mga first-timer na nakakaalam ng product, meron na kayong produkto or bibili pa lang kayo, alam kong excited kayo sa paggamit, but let me remind you to follow these basic guidelines. Kumbaga para po itong kung kayo ay maglalaro, mag-aano po muna kayo, mag-stretching na lang po muna kayo, hindi kayo diretso into the game. So same thing this. So kung kayo po ay gagamit ng blower, wag diretso na magbo-blower kayo agad. Kasi po, hindi naman sanay ang katawan natin na mainitan and then biglang i-expose natin yung body. So warm up po muna. Ang warm up dyan ay ito po, you need to drink 2 glasses of warm water. Yan. So, una nyo pong i-blow ay ang palms and sole of the feet. Why? Because of the principles of reflexology that yung mga parts ng hands and feet natin ay may direct connected doon sa iba't ibang organs in the body. So, while you're blowing your hands and sole of the feet, nai-stimulate na po yung iba't ibang organs sa katawan po natin. So, in that way, na ano pa siya, na-warm up pa. And then you continue by blowing the behind the knee, the groin area, especially mga gentlemen, lalo na yung mga 50 years old and above. Alam naman natin ang advice ng mga urologist na maging conscious na tayo sa ating prostate. Kung po pwede, every year, check tayo ng PSA. Okay? So, maganda na makakatulong na i-blower natin. Yan. Pagkatapos maligo, while you're drying up your body, so isama mo na yon yung groin area na yon. And of course, sa mga ladies, don't forget to blow your armpit because there's a nerve connected directly to the breast. And alam naman natin, ang common na cancer is breast cancer. And of course, sa lymph, diba? Kailangan po kasing i-target yung mga nodes, lymph nodes sa body natin para natutunaw. Diba? Kasi yan yung taga-absorb ng whatever infection. So, kailangan ma-flush out yan doon sa lymphatic system natin. So, kaya maganda po yan kasi na-flush out, nalilinis yung lymphatic system natin sa katawan natin. And of course, the upper back and the head, o lahat po ng parte ng head nyo ay pwede nyo i-blower pati sa mata nyo. Kung may problema kayo sa mata, you can just close your eyes na while blowing it. Except kung kayo po ay hypertensive, huwag nyo lang pong i-blower yung crown area, yung pinakabudbunan. Except lang po doon. So, but you can blow your side, different parts of your body, and especially yung likod po ng tenga. Kasi merong lymph nodes din dyan. Very powerful po yung part na yan. And of course, dyan sa butt area, because yung pong naniniwala dyan sa yin-yang energy, dyan po nag-i-start yung yang energy all the way up to the forehead and the forehead to your chakra. Yan naman yung yin energy. And of course, very important to blow yung likod nyo po. Okay, so, tagto 2 minutes lang po yan, yung 10 points na yan. So, after that, don't forget to drink again 2 glasses of warm water because na-dehydrate na kayo niyan eh. You need to hydrate again because of the heat. Naglabasan na yung lalo na yung mga very active yung metabolism, talagang pagpapawisan po kayo niyan. So you need to replenish yung mga nawalang liquid sa body po natin. Of course, meron pong mga precautions para po sa mga cases like pregnant women, merong menstruation, merong implanted inside the eye, may mga implanted objects, open wounds, and stent in the heart. So, hindi lang po pwedeng i-blower directly to the affected part. Doon po sa mga extremities po pwede po yan. Okay? And then, we have this disclaimer that the iTera Care device is a certified household electrical equipment. Ito po yung ating registration sa FDA. At we are not a medical device because I have explained a while ago that ang nagpapagaling sa katawan ay hindi ang iTera Care. Tinitrigger niya lang yan through heat and the frequency. So, ang nagpapagaling po ay ang katawan natin because na-activate po yung stem cell at ang stem cell ang ginagamit ng katawan to repair and heal itself. Okay, so I will browse you now to different testimonies. Unahin na po muna natin yung mga pampabeauty. So, syempre sa mga nagkakaedad, gusto nyo na mawala or mabawasan or mag-lighten up yung mga wrinkles. So, gamitin nyo po yan at least 15 minutes every day. Yan. So, it helped because napakaraming linya sa loob, sa mukha natin, hindi sa loob, sa face natin. Maraming iba't ibang klase ng lines. And yung lines na yan, ang manifestation yan, yung wrinkles. So, pati po sa mga skin blemishes, yan po, pwede po yan. And of course, sa mga skin problems, mild problems, up to the severe skin problem like psoriasis, yan, it will help you a lot. Yan, yung mga nagda-dry na po na skin. So, advisable po is you charge the water and then yun po yung i-spray nyo doon sa affected na skin part. And then, tsaka nyo i-blower. Yan po yung mga recommended procedure. Then, of course, beautification. So, makikita nyo, not just Filipinos, but Asians, Europeans, Americans are really fond of using the iTera Care. It's so practical and very economical. And again, very ano pala to, no? Very friendly sa mga senior. Itong mga pinapakita natin, pang senior ito eh, yung mga wrinkles, hair regrowth, hair coloration, yan. So it will bring back the natural color of your hair. And then pati po sa mga merong facial muscle paralysis, yan, yung Bell's palsy na tinatawag natin. It's a neurological disorder causing sudden facial weakness or paralysis on one side of the face. Okay? It is often caused by inflammation of the facial nerve. So, makakatulong po yan. Makikita nyo dyan, after a week of therapy, after 8 days, so it will help bring back. Kasi nga po, because of the heat and the frequency, particularly the terahertz frequency na lumalabas sa device natin, yung combination kasi na yan is so powerful na talagang nagpe-penetrate sa loob ng muscle tissue natin, sa mga nerves natin, na mayroon siyang magic na ginagawa. Kaya nangyayari is umaayos yung ano yung mga muscle tissues. Kaya makikita niyo yung mga personal testimonies yung mga yan, especially yung frozen shoulder because that is my personal testimony several years ago, kaya kami naging interesado mag-try ng produkto. Ganun lang naman po talaga eh. Susubukan mo lang naman kung ano yung pwede makatulong sa'yo, lalo na itong iTera Care. Kaya ako sinasabing economical is because isang beses ka lang bibili. Hindi naman ito nauubos. You can use this for 5 to 10 years. Depende sa paggamit mo. So, sulit na yan. At hindi lang naman ikaw ang gagamit yan. The entire family. So, dyan po ako nagsimula, no? After 2 sessions, nabawasan po ng 50% ang aking pain. So that's a big improvement without taking prescription drugs. So it's a natural way. Sabi nga, di ba, doon sa isang benefits ng iTera Care is powerful painkiller. Hindi lang painkiller, talagang na-address yung aking process shoulder na katulad ng nakikita nyo ngayon. Ito pong si Mike is an American yan. So malaking naitulong sa kanya. ng iTerra Care. And another testimony, my personal testimony again, noong time na inatake po ako ng gout. Yan, mahilig kumain ng ng karne at saka mga internals. Ayan. So, magang-maga po yan. Pagka umabot sa swelling na ganyan, napakasakit po niyan. Not even na gusto mong itapak yan sa sa floor. Kung po pwede nga nakahang yan because it's really painful. So, ang ginawa ko again is drink water and then binlower ko. Kung makikita nyo dyan, after 10 hours, nag-subside na. Almost 50% na yung pagka-subside ng swelling. And then, binlower ko ulit. And then, the following day, and makikita nyo, back to normal. The natural way without drinking any prescription drugs, just water and the iTerra Care. And again, ito yung na-mention natin kanina para sa mga gentleman, no? Na let's be aware of our prostate. I-monitor na natin yung PSA, yung prostate specific antigen. So, merong mga testimony na nakakatulong po ito to regulate the PSA. Okay? Yan po para sa mga merong challenges sa thyroid gland. May mga bukol na po pwedeng, yan, after 10 sessions, may mga improvement. Okay, so makikita niyo yan. And then ito po, yung merong sebaceous cyst. 57 years na yung cyst. And then after blowing iTerra Care for 2 weeks, ayan, totally it's gone. Okay, after 2 weeks, every day, twice a day. Okay, in the morning and in the evening. Again, the secret is you charge the water and then pag i-spray mo doon sa lamp at saka mo siya i-blower. Okay, logic nun para mag-soften yung pinaka-bukol mo, yung lamp mo, tsaka mo ngayon i-blower. It's natural way without any medicine, without any operations, the natural way. And ito pa po, may papakita ako sa inyo. Yan. I believe this is in the USA. 9 years na hindi siya makatayo.
Hey guys.
Ayan. So, naka-wheelchair, cannot stand for 9 years. So, here comes the testimony. There. She was able to stand on her own. Parang gusto pa yata magsayaw. Yan. So, yan po yung mga personal testimony of using iTerra Care. Just imagine, 9 years na hindi makatayo. But right now, she's already dancing. Wow, palakpakan naman natin yan. Yung testimony na yan. And of course, sa weight management, yan, makakatulong po because we believe na may mga lang po yung water retention. So dahil mainit, it will help na lose the weight, mga unwanted weight inside our body. May mga testimony rin po about pancreatic cancer. And so we are not claiming na gagaling ang cancer, but ang sure po nito, it will help sa pain management ng mga may cancer patient. Right? So aside from iTerra Care, meron po tayong maraming wellness products. Isa na dyan yung BioLite, the OxyTap, the first oxygen infuser. So kailangan natin ng more oxygen inside our body. Okay? And of course, our brand new the product line, itong MagnoSeek. Sabi nga natin, no, meron tayong mga health issues. And then pagka hindi natin consciously about our health, ang nangyayari is hinihintay natin yung symptoms. Pagka may symptoms, saka pa lang tayo gagalaw. So itong MagnoSeek na ito is madedetect niya yung kung ano yung cell status. Dahil the pinaka bottom line foundation of our body is the cells because our body is composed of trillions of cells. So itong MagnoSeek na nadedetect niya yung cell status. Right? Kung mayroong mga irregularity sa kanyang vibration, so madidetect and then maano siya, ma-convert siya into a information na kailangan na natin na i-improve or meron kang kailangang gawin to correct your health concerns. It's either daanin mo sa diet, kailangan mo sa exercise, or may mga kailangan kang inumin ng mga vitamins. At least you are aware of what's happening inside your body. At yan yung maibibigay na benefit ng Pantos. Okay? So just ask your sponsor about it. So the price of our iTeracare, particularly our basic product, which is the classic, is $380. Yan. So bakit dollars? Because as we all know, the international currency is American dollars, and we are available around the globe. So at least we have standard pricing. $180. So sa USA, it's $420. And in the Middle East, particularly in Israel, it's $500. So mapapansin nyo, prices vary per country due to taxes and duties. So here in the Philippines, yan po yung presyo in terms of peso. The iTeracare Classic is 21,660. So forth and so on. Okay, so if you are interested in knowing all the price list, just consult the person that invited you. Okay, so aside from that, buying the products, we can avail of the 1-year product warranty. And doon po sa mga ibang mga produkto, umaabot po hanggang 2 years ang warranty. And aside from that, and for your peace of mind, there is a product liability insurance amounting to $1 million. That's for your peace of mind. And together with that, once na nag-purchase kayo ng product, idiretso ko na po ito sa sa compensation plan. So once na bumili po kayo ng produkto, you will be given a product pin. At yung product pin na yan will entitles you to join the business. Not really doing it as your business, no? So what we are just trying to say is you can have this on the side. Sabi nga natin parang side hustle. Because once you use the product, there's always a tendency to share it, especially to those people who are experiencing the same health concern as you are. Right? So, syempre, maganda yung epekto sa'yo. Alam ka namang isikreto mo yan, di ba? So, it's a tendency na i-share mo sa mga kakilala mo para sila rin matulungan dahil ikaw natulungan ka. So, that's how we are talking about having a business by sharing the product. So, for example, bumili ka ng silver, ang equivalent po niyan ay silver account. So, kung bumili ka naman ng BioLite, that's gold. Or yung mga high-end na produkto, diamond. Kung maipapansin nyo, every product has its own corresponding point value. Yan po yung PB. Okay, for silver, it's 200. For gold, 600. For diamond, it's 2,000 PB. So whatever your product na binili nyo, may corresponding point value. So pag niregister nyo, it also correspond to different entry packages. So that entitled you to have a lifetime membership global business. So ito po yung tinatawag nating your online portal. So nandito po yung mga listahan ng lahat ng mga stockists and branches natin around the globe, the contact person, the contact number, just in case meron kayo mga kamag-anak sa ibang bansa na sa tingin nyo malaki ang maitutulong nitong produkto na ito, you contact them, you refer to them kung saan sila po pwedeng makabili ng produkto. Okay, so they can process it anywhere in the world. Pwede po yan i-deliver door to door. Ang mga payment po niyan is through credit card or kung ano yung existing na payment online system kung saan mang country sila located. Okay, so it's very convenient. Okay? So ngayon, pagka kayo po ay nag-refer at sila ay bumili, so pagbili nila lahat ng mga benefits like yung warranty, the insurance, and of course the product pin, meron din po yan. So pagka kayo ay nakapag-refer, bumili sila at ma-register nila, you are entitled for this fast track income. This is sponsorship bonus, loyalty redemption points, and level pairing bonus. Okay, so ano po yung sponsorship bonus? Meron po yung mga ah, percentage na dito po, this is fixed 10% of the point value. Again, different product, different point value. So, i-multiply lang po yan ng 10%. So, yan po yung magiging sponsorship bonus nyo. And aside from that, meron po kayong iipunin na points. Pag-register po ng whoever na bumili at nag-register sa inyo, meron kayong makukuha na points coming from their registration. Yan. So, it depends upon the entry package. So, meron po yung 35%, 40% of the points, or 50% of the points. Itong points na to ay iipunin for you to redeem products. Para makalibre kayo, ipunin nyo lang po yan. Parang point system, reward system. So, meron din po tayong ganyan. And ito po yung maganda, yung level pairing bonus. Because yung pag-register po niyan is dalawa lang ang pwedeng paglagyan. It's either sa left or sa right. So, kung meron kayong na-refer na isang tao, kung magre-register siya, umpisa sa left, sumunod yung ni-refer, nag-register din siya, doon naman sa right. So forth and so on. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And then pagka yan ay nag-prepare, meron po kayong posibleng makuha na $80 kung parehong silver yung entry package. Kung parehong diamond naman, so $800. Kung magkaiba, kung ano po yung mas lower, yun yung bonus na makukuha nyo. Okay, so I will give you an example. This one. Kayo po yan, bumili kayo ng product, silver, and then meron din po kayong na-share na silver, you earn sponsorship bonus, and at the same time, points. Points bakit in dollar? Is because ang atin pong conversion, 1 point is equivalent to $1. Ang taas po ng conversion natin, 1:1. So yung pong 70 points nyo, as an equivalent of $70. Yan po yung iipunin nyo so for you to redeem different products that you want. Okay, titingnan nyo lang po yung presyo ng product na gusto nyo. Tapos yun yung iipunin nyo. Okay? And then sa right, ganun din. And then dahil nga po nag-pair na, you can get now $80. So bumili ka, meron kang refer na dalawa, so you earn 14,300. 'Di ba? Bumili ka ng produkto kasi may health concern ka. So ngayon, kumita ka pa. So ito yung maganda. It's because nag-register ka silver. Pero yung mga kakilala mo, matitindi. Matindi yung sakit, pero matindi rin yung yung capability to buy nila. So instead na yung ordinary products, ang binili nila yung mga high-end products. Di po ba basta mga high-end product, matataas ang points. Pag mataas ang points, doon binibase yung computation ng commission. So, kung mataas yung points, mataas din yung commissions. Kaya po, pagka ang sponsorship bonus dito ay iyan, $200. At ang points napakataas. It's 1,000. Alam niyo po ba yung 1,000 na yan? Remember, magkano yung presyo natin ng ng Classics? 380. So meron na kayong tatlo na po pwedeng ma-redeem. Dagdagan nyo na lang 1,000 plus, di po ba? Tatlong produkto na worth 21,000 po pwede nyong ma-redeem for free. At yung tatlo na yan, pwede nyong ipangregalo, pwede nyong ipamigay, or po pwede nyong i-retail. Pag retail nyo, edi yung bayad sa inyo na yon because it's a product. Wala nga lang siyang product pin. Hindi na siya i-register kasi free na siya na-redeem na. What you earn from that. Okay. At ito po yung maganda, yung computation. Dalawa lang na high-end na produkto yung binili sa inyo. Just imagine, bumili ka ng produkto to help your health concern, kumita ka pa ng 176,000. Is it good or very, very good? It's so good, right? So ito po yung fast track income natin. So aside from that, marami pa po tayong iba't ibang klase ng earnings. So pwede nyo po yan na matutunan sa ibang mga schedule ng presentation. Meron pong schedule na in full yung presentation nila ng marketing plan. But for tonight, what I have discussed to you is just the fast track income, yung first three. The remaining, just ask your sponsor kung kailan yung mga schedule ng full presentation. So that ends my presentation about the product and the compensation plan. So our target is to share this iTera Care to every household sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa, sa buong mundo. Because surely it will bring life to every home. Kasi po para sa amin, first aid kit po namin ito. Sabi nga ni Doc Alex, no? Pagka ikaw may iTera Care, para ka may on-call na doktor sa bahay. Which is true. Dahil sa amin po, no, hindi naman maiiwasan yung mga injury sa day-to-day living sa bahay. So maganda, meron tayong iTera Care. Okay? So you share it because it's a good day to change lives. So